are doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli and today I am going to show you how to transform a basic and plain pair of sandals into a very pretty and sophisticated pair of sandals with very few materials, very easy and very cheap. So make sure to keep watching this video so you learn how to do this. But before we start, please make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't by clicking the red button below that says subscribe, and you can also hit the notification bell so YouTube can let you know every time that I upload a video. But let's get started in transforming these beautiful sandals for this summer season. To decorate our first pair of sandals, we will need a pair of simple sandals. I got this for £1. Pom-poms, fabric flowers, and a hot glue gun. First, I will glue the pom-poms to the center of the flowers, and as you can see, I am alternating the colors pink and white so they can go with the color of the sandals. Once all the flowers are ready, we glue them to the sandal strips, and once again, we alternate the colors. What I'm showing you is just an idea of how you can decorate your sandals, but you can get creative and give it your personal touch and add as many ornaments and accessories as you like. When all the flowers are glued to the sandals, we can see the big difference and the transformation from simple plain sandals to these beautiful flower sandals, perfect for the beach or to enjoy this summer. For our second pair of sandals, we will need a pair of sandals with a wide strap like this one. This cost me £3 and you can choose your favorite color, a boa or a strip of feathers that matches the color of the sandals, scissors, and a hot glue gun. For these second sandals, the process is very simple. We simply glue our boa with a lot of hot glue to the sandals, making sure to cover all the spaces and cutting the excess. Once we have covered all of the front, we can return and add a little bit more glue to hold any feathers that are loose or out of place, trying to get them as even as possible until we end up with something like this. And that is it! With a few materials and a little time, we can transform our basic sandals for this summer and make our own creations. As you could see, the result is absolutely beautiful, cheap, and super easy to make. So, what are you waiting for to make your own? Transform your plain sandals into something more beautiful, unique, and sophisticated with a few simple steps. I hope this video was useful and that you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button down here because it helps me a lot. And also don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you can get notified every time that I upload a new video. As always, for me, it has been a pleasure being here with you today, and I will see you next time. Bye!